folks. Clouds kind of came in, so can't see the sunset, but you can see the clouds up there reflecting off the top. And we got some good show over here. All barns in the back in there. We got the moon came out. That's awesome up there. So that's about what we have tonight for the sunset. So, got the birds up there. Actually pigeons. And some right there. There you go. Birds in flight. Enjoying the sunset. We got some kind of purple going on out there with reflection. And keep on them, there they are. Soaring away in the sky. And where are they gonna go? There they go. So that's what they do. Time they get scared, they take off. Yep. Well, that's gonna probably do it, folks. Just wanted to show you. If the clouds were there, we had a nice fire the other night. Nice one, but looks like it's dropping now. So that's probably gonna do it. Oh yeah, I wanted to show you over here. Here's the moon. I know it is cool up there though. But people that been subscribed to my channel a while, right up here used to be a chicken coop, and now I come out here to look. I'm out here doing the sunsets all the time, and things burned down now. It's on fire. You used to have all kind of chickens over here. You had cows in here and everything. And the guy's retiring now, so I think he just burned down his coop. It was a nice big old shed, lean-to, chickens in there. I made nice pictures too because it was old-fashioned. So what's happening, everything's going away now. They're building brand new houses, and all these old nice little barns and things will be a thing in the past. At least they're keeping them up nice. So, and these barns all nicely painted and everything, so hopefully they last a while. And look, there's Bubba. Hi, Bubba. What you doing, Bubba? He always comes out. Callie too, but she's in the house. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, little Bubba. Yep. Chicken egg. Eats like 2-3 mice a day. A lot of mice here with all the barns, so. Alright, that about does it. Looks like we got a little bit of up there, but alright, thanks for watching, everyone. Everyone have a wonderful evening, and God bless. Nice peaceful out here in Vermont.